In this video, I will show you how to track lead performance using the analytics dashboard in Mera Udyog. First, go to the dashboard, then navigate to the sales module and click on analytics. Now you will see the analytics dashboard as shown on the screen. At the top, you can select the time filter like today, 7 days, 30 days, or custom. Below that, you can see the key matrices such as total inquiries, today, office visited, demo done, converted, and conversion rate, which shows how many leads turn into customers. Next, you can see the lead priority, where leads are categorized into hot, warm, and cold. This helps to quickly identifying high priority leads. In the pipeline overview, you can track how leads move through different stages like raw, pre-qualified, qualified, negotiation, and close. On the right side, time analytics. Below that, a daily news lead graph. Help to understand lead trends over time. Scrolling down, you can see lead sources, which tells you where your leads are coming from, such as website or campaigns. Next, assignee performance shows how each member is performing. Finally, branch performance helps compare performance across different branches. Using this dashboard, you can easily monitor, analyze, and improve your lead performance.